Hey, and we're back to Credit K's YouTube channel. Back with another great video covering business credit and personal credit. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button and tap that notification bell right next to it because I'm here daily, multiple times a week, sometimes multiple times in the day with great credit content and also things related to crypto, investing, stocks, this leveling up in life and getting your finances in order. But today we're going over a banking credit union. You see the name up here, Signature Federal Credit Union, based out of the DC, Maryland area. Like so many great federal credit unions backed by state or local governments. And if you're not in the area, most of these places give you an alternate way to apply. So let's get into it. 3 ways to join. You can be an employer of the Postal Service. So that's anywhere in the country. Employee of a organization that they already partner with. So if you have a business, you can partner with Signature Federal Union and have your employees get memberships to this credit union just by your company being a partner. So if you are a business, and with employees, of course, I advise you to take advantage of this because it could be a great benefit to your employees and help with employee retention, which is very hard these days with everybody laying off. And if you need another way, well, you can get referred. So if you have a, sponsored by somebody who's already a member. But the way I got in was rolling through the American Consumer Council, ACC, free. All I had to do is pay $5 for this membership, just to have a savings account, and it was deposit of $5, so I can always take my $5 back. So no fees, and you can also add standard checking, mobile banking, get your debit card, high yield checking account, and everything of that nature, and some other things. So that's how you get in the door with Signature Federal Credit Union. Now let's take a look at some of the products they have. Um, they have a lot of great products that will allow you to take advantage and get other people's funding to further your goals and needs. So, of course, they have a business account. I always preach business credit and getting a business account with every bank you do business with. Even if you only keep $5 in it at a time, that history and that those data points and that data that you build, relationship that you build with that bank, even just by being a member, will goes a long way and will help you get approved for great products. So once you get in the door as a personal member, then you come back and get you a business account. Let's say I got overdraft fees, statements. I'm looking for a no minimum balance. So that's what I'm talking about. You can just keep $5 in this account, $1 in this account, do all your business in your other business accounts. But when you wanted to come and get a line of credit or a credit card, then you come here. Visa business reporting. Visa business reporting allows small business card holders efficient way to manage expenses. So, they have a expense tracking software. So if you use your business credit card to purchase things, they give you tracking software. Here's some of the things you need to apply for the business checking account. Of course, your EIN, articles of corporation, organization, business name, and all that good stuff. Now let's look into the products. Yes, the products. Let's see what they got for me. So we got credit cards, Visa Signature, Platinum, Gold, Classic. So a whole host of personal credit cards you can get, as well as business credit cards. So let's look at the business lending and see what kind of products they do on the business side, because that's my favorite thing to discuss. We got Visa, Business Visa Signature. That's the business Visa card. Low APR, 8.7%, very good. No 0% interest, no annual fees. That's great, but no 0% interest card on this one. But you can personalize it and do some pretty cool things. So it looks like they only have one credit card on the business side. It does give you points, but not a lot there. But pretty sure that it does not report. It does give you auto rental collision damage waiver. So you use this business card in replacement of rental car insurance. That should be helpful for a lot of people. You can personalize your own card. They have business vehicle loan. This is major. This is huge. You can get you a business vehicle loan, finance up to 80% of the purchase price, including tax tag and title. So they would want you to put a sizable down payment down. If you're buying $100,000 vehicle, such as a work truck van or a large vehicle for tax deduction purposes, you would have to have at least $20,000 as a down payment. Very interesting. Really don't like those terms, but it's an option available for people. You know, you're buying only a $30,000 vehicle. In that regard, you would only need about 5,000. So still a large down payment. Express money line of credit. Oh, I love line of credits. Definitely going to apply for that one. Business line of credit you can draw from when you need it. Business loans, flexible term loans, flexible rates. So they have a whole host of, they even got commercial real estate loans. So Signature Federal Credit Union is doing their thing. Like I said, they still have the where you can look up your transactions and import it in QuickBooks and those things. So they have a lot of business credit products for you to take advantage of, get that money and leverage it into other assets, not liability, not just buying a car just to drive around in or money just to buy and go on vacations on, using this money to get things done. And some other lending products. You got Vote RB loans, personal lines of credit, personal loans, mortgages, things of that nature. So this is a top tier credit union that offers a lot of things. Skip a pay, never heard of this. Let's see what this is. Skip a pay, there's no time like the present. If debt's filling you down, have a way to keep extra money in your pocket for promotions for a small fee of a $35 loan. You can skip monthly or bi-weekly payment. Small fee, $35 per loan. So they got little quick loans you can get. As you only charge $35. Doesn't show how much you can get, but that's probably depending on your credit and financial stability. Oh, home loans, man, these folks do it all. Okay, so great things coming from Signature Federal Credit Union. I showed you the backdoor way to get in by applying with the organization. It's only $5 to set up a savings account. And then from there, you can get your personal line of checking, personal checking account, or business checking account. So definitely take advantage of this. Go ahead and get in now. Once YouTubers start finding out about these different credit unions, the application process gets backed up. You may have to wait a little bit longer. And sometimes the funding dries up or they start lowering limits on these credit lines. So go ahead, get in, and come back tomorrow for another credits case video. Later.